fun and stuff. Let's start this video with an interesting fact. Humans could never land on Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus or Neptune because they are made up of gas and have no solid surface. Watch the video till the end to know a fun fact. In this video, we are going to make glowing lights. First, we'll see how to make a floating diya. For this, we need a transparent cup or a bowl, pebbles for decoration, water, oil, and a wick or a cotton thread and a plastic sheet. Take the transparent cup and put the pebbles for decoration. Pour some water and add 3 spoons of oil. Now take the transparent sheet and draw a circle and then cut it out. After cutting it out, make a small hole in the center of the sheet with a pen and then insert the thread or the wick and cut the excess. Now place it on the cup. Now our floating diya is ready. Now I am going to light it. Now we will make colorful scented candle. For this we need wax, crayons for color, thread or a wick and glass jar, essential oil or essence. Dip the thread in wax to make it stiff. Take the cup and pour some wax in it and stick the thread. Melt the wax with your favorite color. After you melt it, pour few drops of your favorite scent and mix. And pour it in the cup. After it dries out, you can pour as many layers you want. After finishing the layers, cut the excess thread. Now we'll light it. Our glowing lights are ready. Let's end this video with a fun fact. It is impossible to hum while holding your nose. Just try it. Please like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for new updates.